Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pratiksha Gupta and welcome back to Career Mudra. In today's video, we'll talk about the Rajasthan NEET MDS Counseling. What are the various steps that happens in the counseling, how you have to register, what is the fee structure, and then what are the few essential details that you need to know, whether you're eligible for the counseling or not. So let's begin the video. In the first half of the video, we'll talk about what are the terms and conditions under which you are eligible for the Rajasthan counseling. See, in every state in India, 50% of the seats are reserved for the state quota and 50% is reserved for the private quota. This applies to the government colleges. Apart from that, in many states, even the private colleges have 50% government seats and 50% private seats. And the same scenario is seen in Rajasthan also. In Rajasthan, there are two types of seats. One is your state seats and the second one is your private or management seats. So in Rajasthan, the government colleges, of course, they have only government quota where students from Rajasthan who are a domicile of Rajasthan can only apply. But in the private colleges where all the seats should be management seats, there are few colleges in Rajasthan where they have only government seats. That means students who are a domicile of Rajasthan, only they are eligible to participate in this counseling for these colleges. And some colleges have government plus management seats. So if you're somebody who's from Rajasthan, you can apply for both government seats and management seats. And if you're somebody who's outside from Rajasthan, you are only eligible for the management seats in Rajasthan. Now you must be thinking that, ma'am, these colleges who have only government seats, but they're private colleges, how should we approach them? Then I have a good news for you in that. If you read the prospectus carefully, after the second round, all these seats, they get de-reserved and convert into management seats if they don't get filled by the Rajasthan domicile students. So if you ask me that what is the best time to register for the Rajasthan counseling, if your score is high, if you're having a very good rank, you can try from the first round for the management seats. But if you're having a low score or you don't have the chance of getting the colleges in the first and second round, it's always better to participate in the mop-up round, as the seats will get de-reserved and you will get a good chance of trying for those seats. Otherwise, from the first round itself, you will keep on trying and you won't get the chance. Talking about the process, Rajasthan MDS Counseling has few steps that I'll tell you about. First and foremost, what is the website for Rajasthan Counseling? It is rajmds.neet2024.org. You have to log into this website. The few steps are, first you have to register yourself for the counseling, then you have to make the payment for the application form and the security deposit. After that, you will get a provisional merit list published. You will get your college allotted after choice filling, and then you have to report to the document verification center in Rajasthan in order to get your seat confirmed. And then there are a few documents that will be required at the nodal center. So talking about the application form, the Rajasthan MDS Counseling form is filled into two parts. One is part 1 and then the second part is part 2. In part 1, you have to fill in your details about yourself, your personal details, your address, your NEET scorecard, your essential qualification details and everything. In the part 2 of the application form, you have to upload your documents in the required amount of the size that has been mentioned, whether it should be uploaded in 300 KB or 100 KB or JPG format or PNG format. After you complete part 2 of the application form, then only you are eligible to participate in the counseling. Part 2 form filling is mandatory. Talking about the application fee, it is 4,000 rupees for general category seats and 3,000 rupees for SC, ST and OBC. The security deposit is 25,000, which is the least I can say all over India. It is the same for the government seats although and the private seats also. Then moving on, if I talk about the surety bond. In Rajasthan, you have to fill a surety bond of 10 lakh rupees in case you don't leave the course in between. And even if you leave the course in between in the first or second or third year, you have to pay the penalty of 10 lakh rupees. Next, if we talk about one more thing, is that there is a term and condition that after stray round or after mop-up round, if you get a seat and you don't take it, then you will be debarred from the Rajasthan MDS Counseling for the next whole year. So guys, this is all about the basics of the Rajasthan NEET MDS Counseling, how you have to approach the counseling. In the second video, we'll be talking about the fee structure of different dental colleges in Rajasthan, of different branches in MDS, and then after that, in the very next video, we'll be talking about the seat matrix of the Rajasthan colleges. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Career Mudra. Thank you.